Hello. Always talking about electrical, and today Tech Tip Tuesdays I would like to talk about the coils. We have several coils in our pumps. The coils will create an electric field, it's a magnet, and it will activate a valve. One of the main ones we have is solenoid number 1 and solenoid number 2 for pumping. When you need to change a coil because it has been working for years, it's time to change it, it's drawing too much power, it's still working, but it's drawing too much power and blowing the fuses, it's simple. You need a small screwdriver, you will take the plug, a screw out of it, you take out the screw so you can lift the plug. To release this one, you need to take the plug in the front. Sometimes the plug is really tight. One of the tricks I do is I use this. A little bit of leverage, you can take out the front cover, the O-ring that seals in place, and then you can take out the coil itself. But the coil slides. All you need is a small screwdriver. To put it back in place, grab the new coil, you slide it, and it will have a pin where it will hold in place. You put the O-ring again, so the moisture won't get there and rust this one. Manually, you engage this one, so you have made the physical change of the coil. Connect your plug, and just tie down the screw with the small screwdriver. Don't get too tight with this one. Don't crack the little plastic housing. You need to have it nice and snug, because it's a common coil in our pumps. When you get a new pump, one of those coils will be included with the pump and it will be in the electrical panel. This is how you exchange and put the new coil in place. Thank you.